Welcome back to our English Language Learner Parents Guide series. In video 4, we will talk about the second domain or section the ELPAC test covers, speaking. Here is an example of a question your student will experience in the speaking portion of the ELPAC test. In this activity, the examiner will ask the student to describe the picture. Are you ready? Let's begin. What is the teacher doing? What is on the tables? Describe what the boys are doing. What kind of class is this? How do you know? Tell me something else about the picture. Describe what is on the walls. Now, how can you practice at home? 4 ways. And all of them can be done in your own language or in English. First, practice reading. Read to your child or have them read to you. Ask them questions about what they read. Have them respond in complete sentences. Second, use pictures. Ask your child to describe what they see in a picture or what is happening. Third, ask your child their opinion. Have them give 3 reasons why for their opinion. For example, you can ask, what would you rather eat today? Pizza or tacos? Why? Where would you like to go today? The park or the store? Why? Would you rather go to the beach or camping? Why? And I'm sure you can think of other questions at home too. And fourth, look at a graph or chart. Ask your child to tell you what they notice about it. Then ask them to explain what the graph or chart is showing in their own words. Remember, all of these steps you can do in your own language. Now you are ready to prepare for the speaking portion of the ELPAC. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on our next video that will focus on the reading portion of the ELPAC test.